Hi everyone, this is Steve Civittoni from 360 Payments, wishing everybody a happy holiday season and welcoming you to the fastest 2 minutes in automotive. This is The Rundown.
Kevin, welcome back to the last rundown of 2025. Steve, thank you so much for the intro. Kevin, I was on LinkedIn looking at Market Genie's stats, and we are paralleling last year in numbers, which is really no surprise. We always see the slowdown, especially right before the holidays. I was also reading an article, and the amount of buy now, pay later shoppers for Black Friday and just overall for the holiday season is going up. And it got me thinking, what can our shops do to kind of take advantage of that type of thing, or what else do we have available?
First off, I can't wait till our By the Numbers episode that we're going to release in January that goes through all the different fact books that are coming out from our channel and market partners. That's going to have a lot of this good information. The one thing that I would earmark personally about the probably biggest consumer update recently is the ability to add cash discounting through your payments integration. Pretty simple subject, right? You do a discount for consumers that are willing to pay via cash. It's done in a lot of other verticals right now. Hasn't yet made its way quite to aftermarket. Now 360 Payments and a lot of shop management systems are enabling it. So really interesting one, and certainly 360 Payments, we know them from consumer financing.
Yeah, and I have noticed that when the shop is consistently talking about being able to break that RO into payments, we're selling and closing a lot more deals, spending a little bit more money in the shops, which is awesome. So it's just offering that flexibility to consumers that we see every single day on Amazon and any really shopping we're doing online these days. Over to our favorite topic, we got the feel good. What do you got for us this week?
One of my favorite customers to work with, obviously they're huge, but they do a lot of good as well, and that's Sun Auto Group. They recently partnered with one of their partners to basically put together a program. The name of the partner is Relodyne, and they contributed $20,000 to the Tunnel to Towers Foundation, which is essentially a charity that helps injured veterans and families of fallen first responders. So really great work that they're doing in the market. I believe that they do this fundraiser or a form of it every single year. So it's been great to see them continuing the positivity. Thanks everybody again. It's been a great 2025, and we'll see you in 2026.